Today we will be working the verb سافر, travel. Most of the time, the past tense verbs have suffixes attached to the last letter of the verb. In this video, I will highlight the suffixes with blue color. Singular form. سافر في الأسبوع الماضي. He traveled last week. سافرت صباحا. I traveled in the morning. سافرت صباحا. You traveled in the morning. Masculine. سافرت صباحا. You traveled in the morning. Feminine. سافرت صباحا. She traveled in the morning. As you notice, the past tense in the singular form finishes 4 times with ta, carrying different vowels. Tu for I, ta for you, masculine, and ti for you, feminine, and the ta with sukun is she. Only repetition can make you remember these meanings. Dual form. سافرتا بعد الفجر. Feminine form. سافرا بعد الفجر. Masculine form. These two phrases both mean they both traveled after dawn. Plural form. سافرنا نهارا. We traveled in the day. سافروا ليلا. They traveled at night. Masculine. سافرنا بعد الظهر. They traveled in the afternoon. Feminine.